These are the few simple steps to register your business without any headache. Welcome to Leducation, our weekly legal podcast where we break down legal topics, legal issues, legal principles to your understanding without needing to go to the law school. Last time I discussed with us what business name is and the kind of businesses that can register as business name, and even situations where you may not need to register that your business name. But today I want to take you through how you can register that business in simple steps. All right. In previous years, you will need to go to CAC office closest to you to do your registration, obtain certain forms, and then go about your name reservation and then the business registration. Not anymore. Now, everything that has to do with your registration is 100% online. It is now e-registration. So all you need to do is to simply go to the website of Corporate Affairs Commission and create a portal if you do not have a portal before, and if you are not accredited agent, and then follow the prompts and everything. Now, for those who are accredited agents, all they need to do is log into their portal and then go ahead with their registration. So when you log into your portal, the first thing you want to do is you are going to see reserve a name. That is the option where you are going to submit your name or your proposed name for approval. Usually between 24 to 48 hours, CAC should respond whether in denying that name or in approving the name. If it is approved, you are going to see the option of start registration. So you are going to click on that, and then it's going to require certain information from you to submit your registration, to submit your application. Some of the information that will be required from you is the details of the business, the nature of the business, the business address, the contact information, and all. It is going to require the details of the proprietor or proprietors. And by these, I mean the name, the address, email address, phone number, means of identification, and all. Okay, after then, you are going to preview this information that you have submitted, and then you make payment and wait for CAC to approve your registration. It is as simple as that. Now, one important thing you must note is that CAC reserves the right to cancel a name that has even already been approved if it is found to violate any of the rules of CAMA. CAMA, we mean Companies and Allied Matters Act. If it is seen to be deceptive or to be misleading. Right, maybe we'll do another video on some of these details. So some of the features of business name registration is, number one, it is very fast to register, like I've explained to you in simple steps. Very easy to register. Another important thing is that a certificate of registration is going to be issued to you after you have completed your registration. CAC has approved. A certificate of registration will be issued to you, which will carry a unique number, BN, that is business name, and then certain numbers that will be issued to you. If you want to do anything after then, you want to pay annual returns, you want to do change of name or anything, you are going to require that number. That's a unique number to you. Another important feature of business name is that it does not have corporate personality. That is, it does not have the power to sue or be sued. It cannot be addressed like a human being or like a person in law. When we get to company registration, you will understand this better. Every business is required to file what we call annual returns every year. So as a business name, you have to file your annual returns after 1 year. Every year you need to file your annual returns. The implication of not filing your annual returns is any agreement you enter into during the time of your default, you cannot enforce that agreement except and unless an high court restates that right after you have shown reasonable reason why you have not done that. Now, as a business name, on your letterhead, you are required to put the name that is approved and then your BN number on any of your correspondences, your letterhead, your signage, or whatever. Failure to do this attracts penalty. It is also important to state that business name is totally different from trademark. Business name reserves your name. Trademark registration is entirely different, and it protects your intellectual property in a different way. This is where we pause for today, and then we proceed from here next time. Ensure that you join with us for this series so that you can have a broad knowledge and you'll be able to take informed decision when it comes to business registration and operating your business. We'll see you again next time. Ensure that you subscribe, share to other people who need this information or who can benefit from this information. Thank you.